Next problem is 8th one. To find the factor of the quadratic trinomial m square minus 25m plus 100. Step 1 is take the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term, which I have already taken, and the product is 100. Look for the sign between the middle term and the constant term plus and the coefficient of the middle term. See here, the coefficient of the middle term is not 25 but it is minus 25. But I am not taking into consideration the sign. I am just concentrating on the number. So the coefficient is 25 only. So now we have to find two factors which on multiplication give 100 and which on addition give 25. See here, we cannot assume the factor, so we will carry out the method of prime factorization. And we will take the prime factorization of the number which we get by taking the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term. So here that product is 100. So take the prime factorization of 100. You already know what are prime factorization. Start with the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we start with 2. And since 100 is divisible by 2, I'll divide 100 by 2, 50. 50 is again divisible by 2. 25 is not divisible by 2. So we take the next prime number after 2, 3. But 25 is not divisible by 3 also. So we take the next prime number after 3, that is 5. 25 is divisible by 5. So take 5. Again 5 is divisible by 5. 1. So in this prime factorization, we will find two factors which on multiplication give 100 and which on addition give 25. So what we do, we start with the number next to 100, that is 50. And on the right hand side, we take the number 2. We start with 2. 50 into 2 is 100, but 50 plus 2 is 52 and not 25. We need 25. So take the number next to 50, that is 25. And take the number next on the right hand side, take the number next to 2, that is 2. Now take the product of 2 and 2, that is 4. 25 into 4 is 100, but 25 plus 4 is 29. We need 25. So that means the factors are not 25 and 4. Now take the next number to 25, that is 5. And on the right you will take 2, 2 and 5. Take the product of 2, 2 and 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s is 20. 20 into 5 is 20. 20 into 5 is 100 and 20 plus 5 is 25. So that means the factors are 20 and 5. Now when you take the next number to 50, you will not multiply 50 and 25. You will take 25 only. But when you take the right number next to 2 on the right hand side, you have to multiply 2 and the next number. And so on. So now we got the factors as 20 and 5. The same method, m square, split up the middle term, 20m, minus into plus, minus 5m plus 100. Pair up the terms. M square is m into m. 20m is 20 into m. Now I am writing 20 as it is because there is no number in the first term. So that's why I am writing 20 as it is in the second term. M is common. So take m outside, put a bracket. When you take m common from the first term, there is only one m and this minus In the second term, there is only 20, bracket complete. Here we have a minus sign, so we will take minus also common. 5m is 5 into m, 100 is 5 into 20. 5 is common, so take 5 common, put a bracket. The term which is left in the term 5m after you take 5 common is m. Here the sign of 5m is minus, but since you have taken minus outside, you will have plus m. The term for the term 100, when you take 5 common, is 20. Here it is plus 100, but since you have taken minus outside, you will have minus. The sign will change. The sign of both the term will change. Here it is minus, so in the bracket it will be plus. Here it is plus, so in the bracket it will be minus. The expression in the bracket is same. Now again you take common from both this term. You can see that m minus 20 is common in both the terms. Here we have m minus and here 5. So that means the factors are m minus 20 and m minus 5. Next problem is find the factor of 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Take the product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term. 160. The sign is plus. Coefficient of the middle term is minus 26, but I am taking only 26. So we need two factor which on multiplication is 160, which on multiplication is 160, and which on adding get the number 26. So this also we cannot assume, so we will use prime factorization, and we will use prime factorization on 160. The product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term. Start with 2, 80, 40, 20, 10, 5, 1. So we will find two factor which on multiplication give 160 and which on addition give 26. Start with 80 and 2. 80 into 2 is 160, but 80 plus 2 is 82 and we need 26. So go for the next number 40. Now when you take 40, here you will multiply 2 and the next number to 2, that is again 2. So 2 2s is 4. 40 into 4 is 160, but 40 plus 4 is 44 and not 26. Go to the next number 20. On the right you will find the product of 2, 2 and 2, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 2s is 8. 20 into 8 is 160, but 20 plus 8 is 28 and not 26. Go to the next number 10. Find the product of 2, 2, 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 60. 60 into 10 is 160. 60 plus 10 is 26. So that means the factor are 60 and 10. Split the middle term. 20x square minus, as it is, the bigger number is 16, 16x minus into plus minus 10x plus 8. Pair up the first two term and the last two term. 20x square is 2 into 5 into x into x. 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20. 16x is 2 into x. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 2 is common. Again 2 is common. X is common. So that means the common term is 2 to the 4, 4 into x is 4x. Put a bracket. In the first term, 5 into x, that is 5x is left. Put minus sign here. In the second term, 2 to the 4. Complete the bracket. Now here we have a minus sign, so you will take minus also common. 10x is 2 into 5 into x. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is common, only 2 is common. So take 2 outside along with minus sign. Put a bracket. 5x is left. So write 5x. I am writing plus 5x because I have already taken minus outside. So the sign of both the terms will change. Here it is minus, so it will become plus. Here it is plus, so it will become minus. And the remaining term, when you take 2 common from 8 is 4. So you can see that the expression in the bracket is same. Now again take common from both this term. 5x minus 4 is common. 4x, this minus, and 2. So the factors are 5x minus 4 and 4x minus 2. The last sum, 44x square minus x minus 3. Product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term, 132. Sign between the middle term and the constant term is minus, and the coefficient of the middle term is minus 1. There is no number, but whenever there is no number, we take 1 as the coefficient. So here the coefficient is minus 1, but I am taking only 1. So find two factors which on multiplication give 132 and which on subtraction give 1 as an answer. This is also a bit difficult to assume the factors. So we will take the prime factorization of 132, that is a product of the coefficient of the first term and the constant term. We start with 2, 66, again 2. 33 is not divisible by 2, so we take 3. 11 is not divisible by 3, so we take 11. Since 11 is a prime number. Start with 66. Always start with the next number to 132. Start with 66 and take the number on the right hand side, that is 2. 66 2's is 132, but 66 minus 2 is not 1. Take the next number to 66, that is 33. And take the next number on the right hand side. Now you will take the product of 2 and 2, that is 4. 4 into 33 is 132, but 33 minus 4 is not 1. Take the next number to 33, that is 11. And on the right you will take the product of 2, 2 and 3. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's is 12. 12 into 11 is 132 and 12 minus 11 is 1. So the factors are 11, 12 and 11. Split the middle term, 12x minus into minus plus 11x minus 3. Pair up the first two term and the last two term. 44x square is 12x is 2 to the 4, 4 to 3 is a 12. 2 is common. again 2 is common and x is common. So that means the common term is 2 to the 4. 4 into x is 4x. Take 4x common. 11x minus here, and in the second term 3. Since there is plus sign, we don't have to take tension of sign change. 11x is 11 into x because 11 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number, or you can write 11 into 11x, I can write as 1 into 11 into x because 11 is a prime number, so its only factors are 1 and 11. 3 is also a prime number, so 3 into 1. 1 is common. Plus 1. The sign will not change because here it is plus sign. If it is minus sign, then you have to take minus common and sign of both the term will change. But since here it is plus, there will be no sign change. 11x and minus 3. Take common from both the terms. 11x minus 3 is common. 4x and plus 1. So the factors are 11x minus 3 and 4x plus 1.